Hello students, let's start today's class, and today I'll show you some practicals on list and marquee. So first let's begin with list, and to work on HTML first step is to open the notepad. So first open the notepad. Now start writing the HTML tags. First tag will always be HTML. After HTML, the next tag is head, and in head what we give? Title. So I am giving title here, learning HTML, then title, close. Fine. Then head, close. So this is our head section. Now after head section we will start body section, and in body I am giving BG color. Spelling will be BGCOLOR without space. Giving yellow. You can give text also to change the color of text. Okay, I am giving here text equals to blue. Fine. So body is the main tag, and BG color and text are the attributes of body tag. Fine. Now we will make a list. First we will make unordered list. So for that we will give heading first. H2 or H3, there how many heading sizes are available? 6, H1 to H6. So here I have taken H2 or H3, also you can take any heading size. Now which heading you want to give? Okay, I am making the list of fruits. So I am giving here fruits names. Fine. Then heading close. Now unordered list, and for unordered list what we give? UL. In UL one attribute we use, and that is type. If you are not giving any type, then by default the type will be disk. Fine. It is not mandatory to give type attribute. It's your choice. If you are not mentioning any type, then by default the unordered list will be of disk type. But if you want to give any other type, in that case type is needed. For example, circle you want to give. I am giving over circle here. Right? Okay, no space was there. Then list item. Okay, these are fruits name. The first mango I am giving. Then another fruit, orange. List item closed. List item begin. Then one more. Okay, banana. List item close. Fine. Now we will close the list, unordered list. Fine. That's it. Now we will close the body tag. Then we will close the HTML. Your first and last tag will always be HTML. Fine. So this is a small web page. Now we will save the file. Where we will save? On desktop. Okay, desktop. Give the file name. Okay, I am giving list .html. Extension is mandatory. Fine. Desktop. On desktop you have saved the file list.html. Fine. Now we will go to the desktop and double click on list. See, text color blue, background color it is showing black. Which color we have given? Yellow. Let's see. Now again open the notepad. Oh, yellow. Fine. W was missing, that's why it was showing black. Be careful while writing the spellings. Fine. Again we will save it, minimize it. Now again we will open. Now it is yellow. Fine. So BG color yellow we have given, and the text color blue. Fruit name heading, and what is the size of heading? H2, and the list type we have given circle. So this is circle. I hope it is clear. Unordered list. Now we will see. Okay, square also if you want to see, then I will change it. Let's see the square. If you write the square over here, fine. Minimize it and refresh it. Fine. Now the bullet is square in shape. Now next is ordered list. So for ordered list, let's make another list in the same web page. For ordered list, we will give OL, and in between two lists we can give P tag, or you can give BR tag also, or P tag also. Fine. P tag, then OL. OL stands for ordered list. Fine. Now in ordered list there are two attributes, type and start. So in type what can you give? In type you can give 1. If you give 1, then it will show you 1, 2, 3. Fine. If you give small a, it will show you A, B, C, D. If you give capital A, it will show you capital A, B, C. So first we will see with A. Now what is the use of start? If I am not giving start, then the bullet will be A, B, C, D. Fine. It will show you the numbering in form of A, B, C. Now if I give start equals to 3, in this case it will start with C. Fine. Start equals to 3. It should start with C. List item, red list item, close. Now I am giving the colors name, and for color name you can give heading H3 or H2, any heading size you can choose. Colors, names, H3, close. Fine. Now list item, first red I have given, second any color you can give, blue, then green. 3 colors I am giving. Fine. Now we will close OL. That's it. Now we will save it whenever you do any changes, you make any changes in the notepad, then again you need to save it. Fine. Now we will go to the desktop. We will open it. Now see the second list, colors name. Now this time I've given the heading size H3. So H3 is smaller than H2. Fine. Now CDE. Have you observed that CDE? Why C? Because the start we have given 3 and the type ABC. I hope it is clear. Okay. Now again come back to the notepad. Now in Romans also, if you want to give Romans, you can give. If you give the small I, then small Romans. If you give the capital I, capital Romans. So again save it and start with, I am giving here 2. So it should start with 2. File, save, desktop, open it. Now see the 2, 3, 4 small Romans. Fine. So list is clear, I think. Now next we will see Marquee. In Marquee, what is the tag? Where do you want to give Marquee? Okay, on the top I want to give. So first tag I will give within the body will be Marquee tag. Fine. In Marquee there are 2 attributes, direction and behavior. So let's see direction and how what are the values of direction, which values you can assign in direction: left, right, up, down. So direction here I am giving right. Right means towards right, from left to right. And the second attribute of Marquee is behavior. Spelling is BEHAVIOR. You will not be there. Fine. Behavior. Which values of behavior we can assign? Alternate, scroll, slide. And these 3 will show the different behavior. So first we will assign alternate. Fine. Marquee tag close. We always give attributes in the starting tag. Marquee, this Marquee is the starting tag. Fine. And we always give attributes in the starting tag of the main tag. Fine. We never assign the attributes in the closing tag. Now Marquee, which string should I write here? Learning HTML we have already given. Understanding Marquee. Then Marquee close. So this is the tag, this is the syntax of Marquee. Fine. Marquee direction right we have given and the behavior is alternate. So let's save it. Go to the desktop. Again open it. This is the Marquee. This animated text is Marquee towards the right. We are given the towards the right. Fine. That's why it is going from left to right. Alternate. See the alternate behavior from left to right, then right to left. Fine. Now I am making some changes over here. If the direction is top, we use up in this case, or down. Either you can use up or down. I am taking here down. Fine. And the behavior I am changing. Now we will see scroll. Fine. Save it. Now again we will see. See, from up to down. Fine. I hope it is clear. Now you can try these practicals at your home if you have computer. Fine. You can try out. No need to install anything. For this you need no internet is needed. For this you only need Notepad and web browser, which you have already in your system. Fine. So very simple practical, you can try. So that's it for today. Now it's time for today's question. I am asking one question and you will write its answer in the comment section. Now the question is, who is a netizen? Fine. You have to write its answer in the comment section. That's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you, class.